Hi, this is Wednesday the 30th of March 2016. Just give you an update of Sid Narrowboat. So you've probably seen the outside, which hasn't changed since the last video. I'm just going on the inside. And this is like the inside now. So as you can see, there's not a lot. There's lots of space in here. That's due to because just getting ready to paint the sides of the narrowboat. So what I want to do is finish off the undercoat, put one more undercoat on, then probably one or two coats of I bought some eggshell brilliant white paint, which is oil based, and I want to just finish the coats on the outside of the narrowboat, so when I'm going to put the cupboards on and bits and pieces on, then I don't have to paint round the cupboards. The walls are already painted, so it's my idea now is just to finish off the walls, so the finished article, then put all the false walls and bed and tables in, which then I don't have to paint up to the edges. So go down to the front here, and you can see these like sprays going across. A couple of days ago I just glued on the side there, and the last couple of days, like the temperature been at night time has been freezing, so the paint's not really, the glue which I've glued the sides on with wouldn't really have set that quickly, so I'm just leaving those on as long as possible, just to let the glue set. And the roof piece there, which is missing, I've already cut it. It's amongst this lot, and I painted it, put the last coat of paint on about 2 days ago. Because the weather's been so cold, it probably takes 4 or 5 days for the paint to like properly dry, so then I can like glue it to the ceiling. So I probably like finished painting all this area here, and I'll have left that bit on the ceiling and the bit with the strays on to do. But also, you probably realised I've got 2 holes in the bottom of the boat which need welding up. So once I've finished painting the inside, I'll get some metal cut and hopefully get somebody in to weld them on for me. Then once them welded on, I can, you can see it's red now at the bottom, I can then insulate it and put the like 3mm ply ready for painting again. So once I've resheeted where it's red, I'll be able to paint that bit and the roof. While I'm doing that, it'll probably take me a couple of weeks just to finish off the kitchen, getting the cupboards in and the worktops in and the toilet area. So thank you for watching, and this is the update to Sid. Please feel free to have a look at the next video. Okay, bye.